I'm going to show you step by step how you can make $100 per day creating an online course with no experience. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show you the best place to put your online course so that you can make the most money. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so as you can see, I have created a bunch of different courses to make passive income. This is actually on a website called Udemy, which we'll talk about in just a moment, but I have created a number of courses throughout the years, both on Udemy and other sites, to help make me some passive income, and today I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. Now, creating an online course is surprisingly easy, and you don't need any experience, you don't need proof, and you don't need education, which makes it a very good opportunity. In addition, you can create your first course using just your smartphone, and then as you start making money, you can reinvest back into your business and help you make bigger and better courses in the future. One of the best parts about creating an online course is that you create that course once and you can actually make money from it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. People are going to be coming from all around the world to learn about what you have to offer, and that will actually help you make some passive income while you're sleeping or hanging out with your family, doing whatever it is that you really and truly enjoy to do. Also, there's a number of ways for you to create and post your course, which makes it really easy and really convenient. And I'm going to show you that in just a little bit. So the first thing we need to do is to actually come up with a course idea, and this is actually really simple. In reality, your course can be about anything: basket weaving, makeup, soccer, anything that you enjoy. But if you need more help, Udemy actually has this pretty cool tool that you can use to find out courses that aren't saturated. You do need to be an instructor over on Udemy to access this course, but once you become an instructor, which is 100% free, you can actually use this. So it's really easy. You just type in something that you're interested in. Let's say basket weaving. Let's say basketball. And the cool thing about this tool is that it will actually return how competitive it is. So student demand is average, number of courses high, the median monthly revenue is 14, but we're not going to worry about this right now. Top monthly revenue is $41. Again, we're not going to worry about that. So what you'd want to do is actually spend some time searching through and trying to find one or a couple that aren't really competitive, and then you can move on to the next step. This is a really handy tool if you have no idea what you want to create your first course in. So for the purpose of this, let's say keto. I'm going to type in keto. You're going to see that's going to be pretty competitive. That's fine. We're just using this to help us get ideas. Actually, surprisingly, it's not competitive. The book on ketosis, the student demand is high, the number of courses is low, the median revenue is $34 per month, the top monthly revenue is $465. But again, we're not really going to worry about that. This has a ton of information to help us potentially start making money. So let's use this as our idea, ketosis. Now that we have the idea, we need to figure out how to create the content. Now that we found the perfect course idea, now we need to actually create the content, and I'm going to show you an easy way to come up with content ideas right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to Amazon, and we are basically going to look at different books or ebooks to help us come up with some ideas. So our topic is ketosis. We're just going to type in ketosis right here. All right, so we typed in ketosis. And what we want to do is we actually want to sort by books. So we click on books here. And no, we're not going to just copy these books. What we're actually looking for is we're looking for the table of contents, because we're going to use the table of contents for these books for different chapters or sections of our videos, which will help us create content faster. So we're just going to scroll through and we're looking for a table of contents or any information that can help us. You can also do this too with ebooks or PLR books. Let me show you how to do that. If we go to idplr.com, and idplr is a website that you can use for different content ideas. You can purchase books and repurpose books over on this website. So I just typed in ketosis, click search, and it's going to come up with a few different results. So I'm just going to click on this, easy keto. And when we click on it, it should give us a table of contents to help us come up with some ideas. So if we scroll down here, as you can see, it says topics covered, what is keto? These are all different video ideas that you could use to create your videos. Very fast, very simple. Of course, now that you have those ideas, you want to do a little bit of research. Another thing that you can do to come up with different ideas is to search the topic over on YouTube. So we'll go over to YouTube and we can type in something like keto, or let's just paste that in. And if we hit the space bar here, it should come up with some ideas. So ketos for beginners, keto food, keto benefits, these are different videos that we could create for our course. So let's go down to Keto for Beginners. And then if we hit the spacebar again, it should come up with a few ideas for us. And again, these are all chapters or sections in our book or in our video that could help us create content. For example, Keto for Beginners recipes, diet, doctor, vegetarian. It says headbangers. I'm not sure what that is, but these could be different sections of our video or of our course that could drive traffic, because this is exactly what our audience wants to know. So it's really easy to come up with different ideas for your video. So now that we have these different ideas, we are going to use them as outline for our videos and for our course. The next step is simply to just create the course. And creating the course is actually really easy. We can use something like Google Slides or a PowerPoint presentation. We can do talking head, or we can do a combination of both. The course itself can be anywhere between 30 minutes and 4 hours long, depending on the amount of content that you add. Now, you don't want to just make the course extra long for no apparent reason. You want to make the course as long as it needs to be so that you are adding value and solving problems. Now that you have created the course, we need to figure out where to post the course. And believe it or not, this is where a lot of people run into issues. Most people will tell you to just go post the course over on Udemy, but I'm actually telling you not to do that. The reason why you shouldn't do that is Udemy takes a huge cut after offering a huge discount, and that leaves you with little money. For example, if we jump back over to these courses, this course is regularly priced at $94.99, but Udemy will actually discount the course to $9.99. And then if they marketed the course for you, your take home will be like $2.73. So just think about it. You put together a 4-hour course, you put your heart, soul, energy, time, you put everything, all of your knowledge into this course, and you make $2.50 per customer. Udemy is not the best place to make money, to make $100 per day with your online course. Stay with me here. I'm going to give you the best places to do it. Another place you could try is actually with Skillshare, but Skillshare isn't going to pay you a ton more than Udemy. It's just a better alternative. Another place you can try is a website like Thinkific. The cool thing with Thinkific is you can start for free and you can actually name your price. Thinkific will take a portion of your profits and proceeds depending on the level that you sign up with. You'll also have to pay a monthly fee as you start gaining subscribers and adding features to your course. So Thinkific is a better alternative, but there might actually be a better way than that. Another benefit of Thinkific is, again, they're not going to take huge amounts of money from you. So if we scroll through here, as you can see, Thinkific is a very good alternative to using something like Udemy. They will do a little bit of marketing for your course, but you're going to have to do most of it yourself, which can take additional time and additional money, which we'll cover in just a moment. In addition to Thinkific, we have sites like LearnDash and Podia to help you create your online course relatively fast. They are very easy and very user-friendly, and so it can be a good alternative if you're just getting started. Another option is to use WordPress and to host the course yourself. There are tons of themes and plugins that you can apply to a simple WordPress website that will actually help you create an online course and sell it. As you can see on the screen here, there are tons of themes and plugins that you can use for as little as $25 one-time charge to create and host your own course. All of the templates are taken care of. You just need to upload the videos and host them yourself. So one of the drawbacks of using WordPress is that you'll have to manage all of this yourself. You'll have to worry about security, payment processing, connecting, and doing some of those things. So that can be a challenge, but hosting the website yourself on a WordPress site is very easy. You can get started for as little as $3 to $5 per month if you use Bluehost and then add the WordPress theme on top of that. So you're looking at probably paying like $10 to $15 per month to host the courses yourself. But again, you're gonna have to worry about security, maybe hiring a web designer. So that can be a challenge if you don't have any experience with WordPress or WordPress websites. Another option is using a web page builder like Kartra, ClickFunnels, or Builderall. The benefit of using a web page or sales page builder like this is it has an all-in-one solution. You can set up a sales page to collect payments. You can use it as a funnel to send out emails. It really provides an all-in-one solution to help you grow and scale and create an actual online course business. You can get started for relatively cheap. They do come with free trials to help you get started quickly. There are tons of tutorials on YouTube and even offered by the companies themselves to help you get up and running fast. Another benefit is that these places like Kartra, Builderall, and ClickFunnels, they actually have templates that you can import right into your account to make setting up your first online course really easy, and you actually will keep more profits by using something like this. So now that we have all of our options, let's take a look at how we can make $100 per day creating and selling courses. So what I would do is I would create a course using Kartra, ClickFunnels, or Builderall. Then I would actually market the course using free traffic like Facebook groups, YouTube videos, and even Pinterest. Then I would consider using paid traffic like YouTube ads, Facebook, and Pinterest as well. Now, the great thing with using something like Kartra is you can adjust the price as needed. You can offer membership sites where they're paying reoccurring monthly, or you can offer a one-time charge, and it's really easy, really simple to get started. Now that you know how to make $100 per day creating and selling online courses, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start an online business fast. Click the first link in the description and watch that free training to learn how you can start an online business in 15 days. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.